Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can check whether NumPy is installed into your system or not. So in order to check the availability of NumPy in your system, first open your VS Code. Then once your VS Code has been opened, go to the terminal and in the terminal type in this following command. The command is pip show NumPy. Once you have typed in the command, simply hit the enter button and here you can see that it has retrieved me with the version number of NumPy. So that means that NumPy is installed in my system. If that had not been the case, then it would have returned me with some error or the module not found message. So that's how you can verify the availability of NumPy in your system. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.